of October is known as Breast Cancer Awareness Month. It is an opportunity for the general public to be breast aware. Marcelle Ruth Friends Cancer Support Group is doing a whole lot in this regard. The group recently organized a breast care day which featured presentations by various stakeholders focused on breast cancer treatment in 2023 and how science is changing the world for patients.
Immunotherapy in breast cancer. Now this is one of the, as somebody who has been a melanoma physician as well as a breast cancer physician for my entire career, this was use of immunotherapy is standard practice now in the melanoma clinic. The drugs, this class of drug, have completely transformed clinical outcomes for patients with metastatic and locally advanced melanoma. And in recent years, we've seen a really exciting observation that, the addition of immunotherapy to standard chemotherapy in the neoadjuvant setting in patients with triple-negative breast cancer is transforming prognosis for these patients.
The major problem in the treatment of breast cancer is late detection. These were the words of one of the special guests at the event, Professor Ifeoma Okoye, a professor of radiology.
As a practitioner, I noticed that our major problem was late detection. And in all of Africa, late detection is said to be the major bane. One of the WHO presenters at a meeting in South Africa, he said, if you ask 3 reasons for the high mortality and morbidity statistics of cancer in Africa, 3 reasons. And he said, it's late detection, late detection, late detection.
Also in attendance was the Lagos State Commissioner for Health, Professor Akin Abayomi, who laid emphasis on the importance of awareness campaign while urging private sector to give their support to this cause.
We're looking at prevention and screening campaigns in our general hospitals and in our PHC centers, and we're upskilling our staff to ensure that when patients come in, that they're able to go through rudimentary physical examination to determine if somebody is showing signs of early cancer development. So we can't do that alone. And as government, we are encouraging private sector and tertiary and academic institutions to develop the skill of early detection and curative strategies.
Participants at the event shared their thoughts on the importance of creating breast cancer awareness, as this is key to early detection.
2 things I can say is the patients who present early are the ones who do well, who survive. When patients present late, there's not very much that we can do for them sometimes. Early detection saves lives, and if there's anything going wrong, please go and seek help.
The most important thing is to have regular medical checkups so that your doctors can screen you and examine you and take information from you that gives them the ability to predict your risk of developing breast cancer.
Every year, have a general checkup. So it's not just cancer, it's things like, diabetes, high blood pressure, cardiac problems, whatever it is. A stitch in time saves 9. If you have a checkup, you have it early diagnosis, the treatment itself is much easier.
Marcell Ruth Friends Cancer Support Group is committed to raising awareness of cancer, encouraging early detection to save lives, and also removing stigma associated with cancer.